Some jobs go beyond the workshop. Some jobs make you come to them. We present the ATV All-Terrain Vise. For the jobs that demand function, strength, and mobility. Your truck just got one hell of an upgrade. Arrive on site and ready to work. Do what you need, where you need it, with the ATV. Highway, dirt road, or no road at all. You can drive as hard as you want. The All-Terrain Vise is designed to handle the toughest road conditions. All work and no play, no chance. The ATV is built to keep up with you when you're on the clock or off the grid. In a bind and need a pair of jaws or an anvil? Mount the ATV in the mounting bracket and never miss a beat. Don't let a busted part or a blown engine kill a perfect weekend. Get fixed up on the fly and keep your crew on track. The Wilton All-Terrain Vise is locked, loaded, and ready to go. Your truck just got one hell of an upgrade.